Hey, Alice, can you say happy birthday to Grandpa? Ellery, show Grandpa how you smell the flower. Ellery. What do you see?
All the animals
Are your puzzle pieces sniffing?
Yeah, all the animals are sniffing it. The panda want to sniff?
Did the zebra just smell?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's good. It's good.
Nice. What about the octopus? Does he like to sniff?
No.
He has no nose, huh? No. Oh, for me? Oh, thank you. Oh, zebras.
I can't keep up with you. Hey, Alice, can you look at the camera to wish Grandpa happy birthday?